Hello children, welcome to
Phonics channel.
Today we will learn the phonic sound of letter W. W says W. W says
Wa.
W for washing machine, W. Washing machine.
W for washing machine. Wa. Washing machine.
Washing machine is one of the essential home appliances which cleans our clothes and make them spotless. W for walnut, W. Walnut.
W for walnut. Wa. Walnut.
Walnut is a dry fruit and it is very good for health. W for whale, W. Whale.
W for whale. Wa. Whale.
Whale is an aquatic animal and lives in water. W for wheel, W. Wheel.
W for wheel. Wa. Wheel.
Wheel is a circular block of hard and durable material. W for watermelon, W. Watermelon.
W for watermelon. Wa. Watermelon.
Watermelon is green in color from outside and red from inside. It has many black color seeds and it is used for lowering blood pressure. W for watch, watch.
W for watch. Wa. Watch.
We wear watch in our hands and it is used to see the time. W for window, window.
W for window. Wa. Window.
We all have windows in our home. W for wolf, wolf.
W for wolf. Wa. Wolf.
Wolf is a white animal. W for whistle, whistle.
W for whistle. Wa. Whistle.
Have you blown whistle?
Yes.
W for water, water.
W for bottle. Wa. Bottle.
Children, as you are very small, so you should drink at least 4 glasses of water daily. Water helps us to digest our food and it is also very good for our health. Thank you.
Thank you.